Howdy, vacuumologist fans. It's about time again. And today's vacuum battle is with the Dyson DC07, Hoover Windtunnels Self-Propelled 2004 series, and my 2019 series Hoover Windtunnels Self-Propelled Bagless. So let's get this vacuum started, shall we? First off is the middle, which I clearly remember my best vacuum cleaner in the series. Alright, let's get this started. Alright, let's start with now the 2019 Hoover Wind Tunnel. Wow. Now for the Dyson. Wow, one pass, eh? Pretty cool on these vacuum cleaners. As I was saying, this is my perfect vacuum video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe if you like. Have a great day.